This is a hair color correction and texture control session. We're starting with natural hair color level 1 black with 75% gray and previously bleached level 9 ends. We transformed her into this beautiful dark blonde with level 9 platinum highlights. The hair color is amazing. I created a custom formula to complement her skin tone. I outlined the hairline with petroleum jelly and I liberally applied our nourishing lipid serum all over her hair. I then sprayed on the bond protector and now I'm beginning with the bleach application. This is a hair color correction service because her new growth is over a ½ inch long. Once the new growth gets beyond a ½ inch from the scalp, then we're out of the heat zone. We need that heat to help us process the color, whether it's bleach, permanent, or semi. That's why it's so important that you get your touch-up on time, because what happens is you end up with banding. Banding is when the hair has stripes that indicate the various bleaching sessions. So the longer you go between touch-ups, the wider the stripe, and it's up to a colorist who knows what she's doing. That's why I say this is a hair color correction session. I went in twice with the bleach. The first time to lift her natural black hair, to lift that to a level 9, then dried it, applied some Olaplex, went through that whole process. See, this is where we began. And then I went in and individually painted on the areas that had stripes, banding. After I balanced her base color, I went in with a toner and a keratin treatment. I used 2 colors. We used a dark blonde, a level 8, and we used a level 9 platinum blonde as highlights. Throughout the hair color session, we used bond protectors, bond multipliers, and keratin. Remember I told you she was 75% gray? Well, that gray is concentrated in her front hairline. So I applied the white highlights close to her face so we can get some serious glow going on. Okay, check this out. This was the beginning. This is what we started with, and this is how we ended. We used bleach, we used a keratin treatment, we used bond protectors, bond multipliers, and our nourishing lipid serum. And look at her hair. It looks amazing. Look at the color. Look at the cut. Of course, she didn't want me to cut her hair, so I had to shape around what was existing. She had a little bit of damage in the crown, so we had to create a shape around the existing length in the crown. Once again, this is where we started, and this is where we ended up. I think it's beautiful. Instead of taking all the pigment out and leaving her hair completely white or platinum, I believe that would have aged her. So instead, I added color to warm her complexion and give her a more youthful glow. If you need your hair color or texture corrected, you can book a private session at our studio in Benicia. You can give us a call or book online on our platform, beautywellnesshaircare.com. If you're a professional, you might want to look at the videos we have. We have videos you can rent and learn how to color level 5 and below natural hair color. And we also sell all of the products that we use in the videos we sell on our platform. So come visit us at beautywellnesshaircare.com.